What is the 50-15-5 rule? 50% for needs. This portion of your income is allocated towards essential expenses that you can't live comfortably without. This includes housing, food, utilities, transportation, minimum debt payments, and other necessities. 15% for retirement. This chunk focuses on saving for your golden years. Ideally, this 15% goes towards retirement accounts, like a 401(k) or IRA. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. 5% for short-term savings. This part is dedicated to building a safety net for emergencies or unexpected expenses. A car repair, medical bill, or other unforeseen costs can be covered with this buffer. You might use a high-yield savings account or money market account for this purpose, as they offer easy access to your money while still accruing some interest. Think of it like financial buckets. The biggest bucket, 50%, holds your essential expenses, ensuring you can cover your basic needs. The next bucket, 15%, focuses on your future, specifically saving for retirement. The smallest bucket, 5%, acts as a safety net, catching any unexpected financial bumps. Keep in mind, the 50-15-5 rule is a flexible guideline. You can adjust the percentages based on your specific situation. For instance, if you have high housing costs, you might need to allocate a bit more than 50% towards needs. This rule doesn't account for discretionary spending. The remaining 30% of your income after needs, savings, and short-term savings can be used for things you want, like entertainment, dining out, or hobbies. The 50-15-5 rule is a great starting point for beginners or those who want a simple budgeting framework. It encourages saving for both short-term and long-term goals while ensuring you cover your basic needs.